Hi guys, I'm Maria aka Maria Dreams. Today's video is going to be a super quick one because I finally got my Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box. So I thought instead of just opening by myself, I will share with you guys what's in it. I'm super excited because this is the first time I get the premium box and not the really small one, because there's going to be a lot more items in this one. And when you buy Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery boxes, usually you'll get like twice the value that you paid for. So I'm really excited to see what's in there. So let's open her up. Also, can we just appreciate the beautiful print on the boxes? I'm so happy whenever I get Jeffree Star Cosmetics boxes because they actually look pretty and they're not just a random box, if that makes sense. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Oh my god, the wrapping is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna use that. Let's see what's in there. There's... Oh my god, no idea. This one comes with a clothing item as well. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I'm really excited. Like, honestly, I wasn't sure if I would want to get the big... Oh, this is such a nice... I mean, it's Jeffree Star. Obviously, it's nice quality, but this is cute. How cute is that? It says Jeffree Star. And it is super soft. Wait, I want to check in the big mirror. How cute is that? I usually hate hats. I'm not a hat person, but this is cute. And it is so ridiculously soft. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Totally unexpected, but I love it. Boom. So it has a really cute top, and here it says Jeffree Star. I love it. Okay, off to a really surprising but really good start. So let's see what else is in the box. Oh my god, yes. I really wanted... I would be more happy if those were the Christmas ones, obviously, but it was the new collection, so obviously he wouldn't put them in. But these are great too. So if you don't know what these are metal straws and they come with a cleaner, and this is a set of 4. So yeah, that's cool, because obviously you don't want to be using plastic. And because I work as a model, these are super convenient because you always have like perfect makeup done. So if you have a red lipstick, you can't really be drinking water unless you have a straw with you. So I'm glad I have these. I really wanted to get these. I would be happy for another color because I personally hate green. So I'm gonna take this one whenever I go on shoots. Thank you. Okay, let's see what else is in there. Let's keep... No way. No way. Is this the conspiracy palette? No freaking way. Oh my god. It is the conspiracy palette. Oh my god. This is like the most iconic moment of 2020 when it comes to beauty industry. Is it not? Look at... I just got goosebumps. Like, this alone is worth the money that this... Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry, but I need a moment to collect myself because this... Oh my god, like in real life it looks even better. This is the most beautiful eyeshadow palette that has ever been made, like in terms of design. And just look at that. It has clips. Did you hear the sound? Which makeup palette? Oh, I can't. I'm ridiculously happy about this. Look at that. Oh my god. This is freaking amazing. I love it. And the illuminati is there and everything. Oh, so freaking cool. I'm impressed. Really impressed. Like, even if I would get these 2 things, I would already be happy, but there is more. So let's appreciate. And I'm matching, like, kind of with this thing. So thank you so much, Jeffree. This is freaking amazing that you put this in a mystery box. So freaking cool. Okay, let's see what else is in there. There are 2 more items and both of them are the products. The glass. Okay, I'm excited. And this is in the shade Spank Me. Love it. Let's see what it looks like. Damn, it's pretty. I haven't seen this before. I mean, I have seen the collection, but I have, oh my god. I mean, are you seeing this? Can you see how pretty that is? This is so pretty. Should I put it on top of my lipstick just to see how it looks? I don't have a mirror here, so... Oh. What am I talking about? Yes, I do. Let's just hear that again. Which palette sounds like this? And I forgot to mention, but Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes have massive mirrors, so that is awesome. Let's check this baby out. Everything he makes smells amazing. Whoa. Okay. When I saw these glosses, I was like, a gloss, really? I'm not really a gloss person, but this is amazing. Oh my god. It's so glittery, but at the same time so light. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. The color is amazing, so super excited about that. Last thing. Celebrity Skin. No way, no way, no way, no way. So this is Velour liquid lipstick, and if it's actually the tone that I thought, yeah, oh my god, Jeffree, I wanted to buy this exact lipstick, but it was sold out whenever I checked it. I'm so happy about this. Oh my god, yay. Like, this has been the best mystery box I've ever received. I've received twice. I received 2 before. This has hands down been the best one, and I didn't look at any reactions before filming this video because I didn't want to ruin the surprise, and I'm really glad that I didn't, because damn, Jeffree, this has been amazing. Okay, I have to take everything and make a thumb. Oh no. Okay, I have to take everything and make a thumbnail because this is so cute. Okay, like, honestly, I love it. Do you love it? Please let me know in the comments. Does it suit me? It is so warm. Literally, you guys, I would never imagine, like, if I would just see this on the side, I would never imagine the fabric to be this amazing. It's like the softest sweater kind of fabric. I love it. Ta-da! These are my gifts from the 2020 Christmas mystery box. Thank you, Jeffree Star. I hope everyone had amazing Christmas time, and see you in my next video.